Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us on your browser. It's important to know that Among Us isn't natively supported in web browsers, so we'll be exploring a common workaround. You'll typically need to use an Android emulator or a cloud gaming service to get it running. This guide will focus on using a popular Android emulator, which is a widely accessible method for many players. Let's dive into the steps to get you playing this fun social deduction game. When playing Among Us in your browser, selecting the right platform is key. Popular Android emulators such as BlueStacks or Nox Player are excellent choices, offering a full Android experience on your computer. Alternatively, cloud gaming services can stream the game directly to your browser. Whichever you choose, always check that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for optimal performance. A stable internet connection, ideally with at least 10 megabits per second download speed, is also essential for a seamless experience. Now, let's get to the installation and setup. First, download the installer for your preferred Android emulator, like BlueStacks, directly from its official website. Run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Once the emulator is installed, open it up and sign in with your Google account. This grants you access to the Google Play Store. From there, simply search for Among Us and proceed with the game installation, just as you would on an Android phone. With Among Us installed, you're ready to play. Simply launch the game from the emulator's home screen or app drawer. Take a moment to adjust the in-game settings for optimal graphics and control responsiveness, ensuring a smooth experience. You can then join an existing public game or create a private lobby to play with your friends. Remember to familiarize yourself with the keyboard and mouse controls, which are typically mapped to mimic touch inputs, for effective navigation and interaction within the game. Have fun being a crewmate or an imposter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.